TruNest features a unique single-user authentication system, allowing for a given user to log in as a specific type of user, customizing their experience according to their user group assignment. This allows TruNest to be diverse and only serve what is necessary for a particular employee's workflow, nothing more and nothing less. As you can see, the user admin belongs to three groups: admin, engineering, and shop floor. By selecting which group the user wishes to log in as, TruNest will adjust the user's layout and customization accordingly. A regular employee who works the shop floor and only belongs to a single specific group will not see this screen during login. If you belong to multiple groups, you can switch your experience by using the User Profile panel in the upper right corner of TruNest. By switching to engineering, we lose much of our functionality that was exposed to administrators, and for good reason. Admins don't want engineers to access this functionality, and engineers have no need for it to clutter their work environment. Okay, now let's move into the application. Translating parts into TruNest is an extremely easy and robust process. There is no need for any intermediate CAD formats, as TruNest can automatically translate native CAD data from any CAD source. This includes legacy data in NC format. During the translation, TruNest will check the geometry for any issues and return a report with any errors that have occurred. In this demonstration, a CPD file containing a multitude of car hood parts is read into TruNest in one easy step. A view of the translated file is then displayed to the user, and the parts are automatically placed into the user's part table. Now, by visiting the part assembly table, a user can use TruNest's great searching and sorting capabilities within its tables to find any part they'd like to review and look over it more closely. By selecting any part in the table, its corresponding visual representation will be displayed in the viewport above. Now, a look at ordering parts. TruNest has an advanced ordering system. Orders can be placed manually by choosing one or more part assemblies with like materials, or selected automatically by pulling in order data from an ERM or MRP server. In this example, we'll place an order on all of the hood parts that we've just imported in. TruNest also allows for multiple orders to be included in the same nest. Mixing orders will likely cause an upturn in efficiency of the nests, saving material. Each nesting scenario can run on a single size of material, or TruNest can best decide the best size of material for the nest automatically using the efficiency of the nest compared to the cost of the raw material. In this example, we nest our hood parts together on one nest and select the desired machine to push it to. Now that we've placed our order, a new node appears in the tree that represents it. So finally, let's talk about the capabilities of nesting within TruNest. TruNest has a multitude of settings that can be adjusted to change how your nest is created. By going to the Nesting Parameters node, the user can adjust things from how long the nesting algorithm should run to how far parts should be spaced from one another on the nest. The time setting is of particular note though, as within TruNest SE, a user can set the genetic algorithm to search for optimal results for a short duration nest or explore infinite nesting results for a longer overnight nesting run. So after selecting Create Nest and beginning the nesting process, the Orders node now has more content within it. A user can now view his nest easily within TruNest, or anyone down at the shop floor can load it up as well. In TruNest, post-processors run the user's cutting equipment directly, and since TruNest has a post-processor for each brand of machine tool on the market, it could not be more straightforward. Direct control using the post-processor allows TruNest to optimize machining cycles for each throughput. TruNest also generates a report for each nest that is created. This report contains quite a bit of information, such as nesting settings, efficiency, material cost of the plate and the nest, the list of nested parts, and any unexpected result in the nest. This report can be tweaked to include custom data, or can be exported to a custom format such as HTML, PDF, CSF, or even fed back into the ERP system. The nest itself can also be exported to many different formats, or pushed directly to a printer or plotter to be used physically around the shop. Well everyone, thanks for listening. It's time for me to stop talking and for you to get nesting with TruNest.